So today I'm going to test out these new paints I purchased from culturehustle.com. One of the paints are called Black 2.0. It's the black, well, no, there's another one that's a 3.0, but this one is the Black 2.0. It's really, really dark. And the other one is called Mirror. It's supposed to give the mirror effect, but I think it's, I'll let you see. Come on, take a look. Hey everybody, welcome to my Fluid Art Think Tank number 13. Today I'm going to be experimenting with specialty paints from a company called Culture Hustle, a Black 2.0 and a mirror paint. So I've decided to paint the base with the Black 2.0, and I'm going to do a cascading waterfall pour using my 3-in-1 cup. So this mirror paint has the consistency and the smell of spray paint. I don't know if that's what the mirror paint is. It just smells like it's spray paint. But it does, if you can look, it does give a reflection. You can see my gloves. You can see me moving in the paint. On the label of the mirror paint, it's called a hybrid solvent base coating paint, which is not acrylic paint. So now I'm preparing to do another cascading pour using a mixture of blacks, the silvery gray, but not the mirror paint, and a white. looks like silver foil. This is cool, but I'm not keen on it. I don't know. Let's see how it's gonna try. Like that. And that matte black is pretty tight. I like that. Spray paint. I think I'm going to say that that is fake. They put spray paint inside the stop. Good. It's pretty shiny, and I hope it keeps that shine, because that's pretty tight. That's nice. Let's see how this dries. Because this looks like silver flake. It really does. And this looks like pure mercury. So let's see what it does. Let me rinse that out. And I'm gonna let this dry overnight. This is pretty nice. Pretty cool. I'm not digging the little bubbles in it, but I'm not gonna mess with it. Trying to set my house on fire. So if it's got bubbles after it dries, then you know. Oh well. I'm gonna bring it down and let you see what it looks like. Okay. Yeah, you see it. You can see my phone. It is a mirror. I love it. This is pretty nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We're just gonna hope that it dries without any issues. This is that new paint. It's been 24 hours and it's still drying. I think this is going to take a couple of days to dry. the silver, or let me recall it. It's mirror paint. It's gonna be really, really textured. And it still looks like silver leaf. So I still like the effects that it's doing. I don't know, let's see, once it completely dries, what it looks like. And this may be one of those pieces that have to be resined because it's so detailed. And the resin will lift the textures and the effects. So we'll check again tomorrow. So here, this is day 2. It's taken full 2 days, 48 hours to dry. But look at that texture, it is gorgeous. And I'm on the fence of resining, but the resin will give it a 3D effect. I want to do some detailing, and then I'll decide. Alright, so I added a little of the mirror and these little fissures. There was cracks in the white, so I just gave it a little more detail. And there were a few crevices in the paint that dried, and I just went over that with the mirror paint. And I think once I resin it, it's going to really bring up the 3D effect. And resin is kind of hard to take photos of because of the glass-like appearance, but as you can see the detail of the mirror that I put in those crevices. So it's a different piece, that paint, and I like it. I like it. It gives it so much texture. Thank you for joining me today in my Fluid Art Think Tank number 13 and testing out the Black 2.0 and the mirror paint from Culture Hustle. See you next time.